Shout out to Laura and Manish, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making another custom loaf, and I enabled on my website to design your own custom log, and you add what ingredients you want in it and colors and scents, and you can really customize how you want your soap bars to be, and you can pick stuff like additives, certain vegan milks, like how I make my own hand pressed oat milk and almond milk and all those. And this is the first order I got from it, and he requested that I would, if I could do 100% coconut oil, because the base recipe is 30% coconut oil, and I range between 50 and 70% olive oil depending on what oils and butters they want to add. So I give option of like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and the soft oils like castor, sunflower, soybean, and I give description next to it as what they do, like lather boosting, conditioning, hardness, and because not everyone knows what the oils will do in soap. Us soap makers, we know, but people that aren't familiar with soap making can follow through and pick what they want and know the qualities that their soap bars are going to have at the end of it. So it's really, really good. I thought I'll do it over the weekend. I've been thinking about it for a while, but I just thought, I'm just going to do it. So I did it. So he left me an order note saying that he wants 100% coconut oil. He's a regular customer of mine, and he usually likes my ocean water soaps, but he leans more towards unscented. So he wanted pure coconut oil. He added a shea butter add-on. So it's 90% coconut oil, 10% shea butter, and 2 color swirls, so gold Brazilian clay and nude French clay. And he requested ocean water. So that's ocean water in here with sodium lactate and organic raw sugar, and it's just going to be a 2 color in the pot swirl. And he also requested oat milk. So you can see my ultra concentrated oat milk, it's all melted in. I'll give it a quick blend with the stick blender just to incorporate it all in before I add the lye water. And in here also is the sodium lactate and the natural vitamin E as well. And we are at the appropriate temperatures. 39, 32, that's fine. Generally between 45, that's not 45. Generally between 35 and 40, I like to soak when there's shea butter in it, just to make sure it doesn't solidify in the pot, and that there's no false tracing going on. So it's a pretty straightforward recipe today, but still always excited to make soap, and I'm going to make this custom soap as requested. And it's going to be a fairly relaxing video, so hope you enjoy it.